What's up, you guys? My name is Shauna Jenkins and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a pumpkin smoothie bowl. Alright, so pumpkin is in season right now. It is fall in like a couple more days, and so I wanted to share with you something that you can use, that you can make with seasonal ingredients. And so the first thing you're going to need is some pumpkin puree. So I'm going to be using a can of pumpkin puree. Not a whole can, but I got this can right here. Now if you want some fresh pumpkin, then you can slice some fresh pumpkin, cook it, and then smooth it down like this. So I'm going to add that first to the blender. And then you want to add in your favorite plant-based milk. I'm going to be using oat milk for this recipe. And then some spices that I think will go well with this recipe because it is fall. So I'm going to be using allspice, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. And all of this will be on my blog, shaunajenkins.com. The full recipe will be on my blog. And then you want to add in a banana and 2 tablespoons of hazelnut. I'm using a frozen banana. Now you're going to need a type of sweetener. I'm using 2 sweeteners. My first sweetener is maple syrup. So I'm going to be putting in some 100% maple syrup. And then the last ingredient is going to be 2 dates. And they're not medjool dates, it's just regular dates. They say California on the bag. And they're just sun-dried dates. Oh, one more ingredient I almost forgot to put in here. I'm going to be adding in some vanilla, okay? So 100% vanilla extracts. And when you eat this, drink it how you want to do it. It is a smoothie, so you can drink it. You can eat it with a spoon because it's going to go in a smoothie bowl. You don't have to put it in a smoothie bowl. This is just how I'm going to do it. I wanted to add some more to it, so that's why I'm having it in a smoothie bowl. But that's how it looks right now, and I'm going to put it on the blender. Alright, so now that it's finished, I'm going to add it into this bowl. So you want a big size bowl that you can, something that's big. Like this is going to give me a full serving of my breakfast, or you can have it as a lunch, you can have it as a snack. If you have it as a snack, then you don't want to use a big bowl like this. But if you're going to have it as a meal, then you want a big bowl because you're going to add a lot of ingredients. So I'm going to add this to the bowl. And now you want to add your ingredients. So that's how it looks so far. Now we're going to add our ingredients to the bowl. I'm going to be using pumpkin seeds because pumpkin seeds are packed with magnesium and they have a lot of nutrients for the body. So I'm going to use some pumpkin seeds. Also going to have some cranberries. Cranberries are in season right now. But I'm just doing some dried cranberries. Feel free to do some fresh cranberries. I'm going to have some granola. And I chopped up some apples. Apples are in season right now, and some bananas. And for some omegas, I'm going to add some flax seeds, okay? So now I'm just going to add all the ingredients to my bowl. So for the cranberries, you don't have to do cranberries. I just thought cranberries would be... it'll add some extra sweetness to this. Now I'm adding my pumpkin seeds. And then some apple. This is just one apple chopped up. Feel free to choose whatever type of apple you like. And I'm adding on a banana. And some granola. And this is just some granola cereal. I actually shared a review about this granola cereal in my last video. It's gonna add some more crunch to this delicious smoothie bowl. Something that will go right with this is also some pomegranate seeds, because some pomegranate will be really great because they're in season right now, so they'll go really good with this. So now I'm going to add my flax seeds. Flax seeds are really good for the body, and if you can get them in every day, that'd be great, because they have a healthy balance of omega-3s and omega-6s. They also a good source, like it says, also a good source of copper and fiber and thiamine. So it's great. You can just add these to any kind of breakfast bowl or granola. They're seeds, just like you would do with pumpkin seeds, like you would do with nuts. Anywho, here we go. That is our bowl that we made. Really simple, really delicious, and this is something that you can incorporate into a breakfast. Also, you can have it as a post-workout meal because it has those healthy carbs in it that you're going to need to replenish your body, replenish your system. All right, so I'm going to show you a close-up of this, but it's been good. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure you share this with somebody else. Also, make sure you like and subscribe, and come back next week on Monday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.